Welcome everyone! Today I'll show you how to become smarter regarding one subject of your choice in just 1 hour or less. The method that really works. Whether you're getting ready for a date with someone intellectually inclined or a discussion with friends, this method will help you impress anyone. Stick around to find out how, investing just minutes of your time. First thing, choose a subject that interests you. You've got a variety to pick from, like technology, health, travel, and more. Let's suppose you are curious about philosophy even if you know nothing about it. Let's dive in. Visit the ChatGPT site or use the mobile app to get the information you want. So let's head over to the ChatGPT site or mobile app. If you are unfamiliar with it, don't worry, I'll guide you through. Click on the new chat button situated at the left corner. Then you will write your questions in this input. Now ask, please give me a short, easy definition of philosophy. Remember, you can find these questions in the video description for easy copy and paste. Now ask ChatGPT. Create an article describing the most important information regarding the subject from the definition above. This will be the core knowledge we are looking for. Next ask. Create a list of the most relevant keywords from this article and their short, easy to understand definitions. This list will ensure you understand the terms from the article. The third step and the final one is where we read and learn the newly acquired information. Take a moment to read through the keywords and their definitions, then dive into the article. Can you feel yourself getting smarter already? Did you enjoy the process? Was it helpful for you? Share your thoughts on your chosen subject in the comments below. Also, let me know if there's a specific topic you'd like a similar video on. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you found this valuable. And don't forget, keep learning and exploring new horizons.